This wig cap is customized to a child's head size. This is originally an adult wig cap. So if you want to learn how to customize an adult wig cap to the size of a child head, watch this video to the very end. Welcome to PCChat Airs. Please subscribe and like this video. So the first step is to bring the wig cap. This is a dome wig cap. You know, the size is an adult size. And the essence of this video is to show you how to reduce this adult size wig cap to a child size wig cap. So the first step you're going to do is to place the wig cap on your mannequin head. You're going to bring your tape rule and measure the wig cap vertically, because this is where you're going to focus on. This is 14 inches. Yes, so we're going to place a pin. Yes, you're going to place a pin in the middle of the wig cap or anywhere you want to place the pin, so that when you want to drag the wig cap, it will not pull off totally. So you're going to drag it up to the actual size of child head you want to do. So I'm going to drag it to this point. So I'm going to reduce it to 2 inches. If you're making for a smaller child, you will drag it upward more. So you're going to place your pin, so when you are doing the next step, the wig cap will not pull off. Yes, so you see that line, those two lines at the side that was originally on this adult wig cap, you're going to be doing folding there. Fold the excess wig cap there on that two side. You want to fold it equally so that one part will not be bigger than the other part, so that when you're doing your child's wig cap, your child's wig, it will not stress you. So make sure you fold it carefully. Yes, so this is it after folding. Yes, even that down part, you will fold it like this, then we'll start sewing. Yeah, so this is basically it. We'll start sewing. So I'm going to leave you here and watch how I am sewing this wig cap. I'm going to come back and tell you what I did at that down part, because there will be an excess wig cap at that down part. Let me show you how I folded it and sewed it to make this child's wig, child's customized wig, actually look like an adult wig. No difference. There will not be difference. If you carry it up, you think that it's a child's adult cap originally. Yes, so let me leave you here and come back. Let me give you a sweet song. Another headlight slowly, child is taking slowly, and your violence cause such silence. We must be mistaken. But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, in your head, they are fighting with your tanks and your bombs and your bombs and your guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, 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 eh, eh. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, 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 eh, 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 eh. Two, 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 two. Another mother's breaking heart is taking over, and your violence causes silence. We must be mistaken. It's the same old team since 1916. In your head, in your head, just fighting with your tanks and your bombs and your bombs and your guns. In your head, they are dying. In your head, zombie, 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 eh, eh. What's in your head? Zombie, Zambe, Zambe, eh, 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 eh. So thank you for listening to this music to this point. What is what I'm saying at the back? The excess wig cap at the back. You know, when you have done the both side, you will see that this back has an excess wig cap. I am going to sew it to this part. I don't know, take a closer look of how I'm sewing it. Yes, so that it will lap at the back. It will lap the back. Yes, so that it will not be flappy, to lap at the back. So this is basically the end. So any size of recap you want to do, any size, just do it like this and you're going to get that child's wig head. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something for this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. See you soon. Bye.